afternoon, happy Tuesday, happy September. We're a great day of professional development here at the home of the Royals. Really pleased that our staff has really come back ready to go. We are at the virtual open house time where parents and guardians and students, you will be hearing from your teachers, some as early as tonight. Could be one of those text messages, could be an email, but please be looking for those. They are going to come out within a day, probably within the next day. All 6 teams will be out there. So really good idea and a good way to connect with your teacher this year.
Chromebooks. A lot of questions about Chromebooks and technology. And just a quick reminder about Chromebooks for our full remote students. So students who've opted for full remote, you can pick up Chromebooks here if you're in need of technology next Wednesday, September 9th from 1 to 3 p.m. right here at PCMS. You can just buzz in and we can sign out a Chromebook to you. For our students who are hybrid students who are going to be taking Chromebooks home with them, you'll actually be handed your Chromebooks on Thursday and Friday, September 9th, the 10th and the 11th here at school by your teachers. You'll sign those out at that point. So Chromebooks will be given out, technology will be given out. No student will be left behind from that standpoint, so look for those soon. Once again, we're happy to get things rolling here at school. Another great day of PD, and we look forward to seeing students next week because once again, we are better together.